Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus ROG GL752V. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing issues with your Asus ROG GL752V not holding a charge, you're not alone. This problem often arises due to battery wear over time, which can lead to the device shutting down unexpectedly and affecting your productivity. If left unresolved, it may worsen, resulting in complete battery failure, rendering your laptop unusable. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery specifically for the Asus ROG GL752V. First, make sure your laptop is turned off and unplugged. To open the device safely, place it upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic prying tool to lift the back panel off, taking care not to damage any clips. Now, locate the battery, which is typically situated near the center of the device. It will be connected via a cable to the motherboard. Take a moment to inspect the battery for any signs of swelling or damage, as this indicates it needs replacing. To extract the battery, you'll need to disconnect the cable. Gently pull the connector away from the motherboard. Next, remove any screws securing the battery in place, and lift it out carefully. When inserting the new battery, align it properly and secure it with screws. Reconnect the cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly in place. Be cautious while doing this to avoid damaging any nearby components. Once everything is secured, replace the back panel by aligning it correctly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Reinsert all screws you previously removed. After reassembling your laptop, plug it in and turn it on. Check to see if the battery is charging correctly and that the device operates smoothly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, consider regularly calibrating your battery and avoiding overcharging your device. Keeping your laptop clean and free from dust can also help maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.